Hello dear students, welcome back to our channel Bhavani Commerce Academy. In the last video, we discussed non-profit organization formats. Those formats are receipts and payments account, income and expenditure account, and balance sheet. Yes, in that first one, receipts and payments account. On that, here we have one important question that is from July 2022 question paper. Okay, see. From the following information, prepare receipts and payments account. Here we need to prepare receipts and payments account. So while preparing receipts and payments account, you have to remember some points. So those points I have given in the last class. Yes, all receipts should be debited, all payments should be credited. Only cash transactions are recorded. Non-cash transactions are not recorded. And here we need to take current year details, previous year details, and next year details also. Yes. And non-cash transactions are ignored. So these points we need to remember while preparing receipts and payments account. And this receipts and payments account starts with opening balance of cash and ends with closing balance of cash or bank. Yes. See. Here we need to prepare receipts and payments account. Opening cash in hand. Where we should write opening cash in hand? Debit side, because it's a receipt. Opening bank balance also debit side. Subscriptions received 22,000. If you have any receipt, that should be debited. Entrance fees received, debit, because it is receipt. Tournament fund received. Tournament fund, this is also debit. Tournament expenses, it is an expenditure, so it's a payment, comes under credit side of the receipts and payments account. Cash in hand at the end, so closing balance of cash in hand. So the closing balance will comes under credit side of the receipts and payments account. Okay, so by using these details, you need to prepare receipts and payments account. So this is our solution, receipts and payments account. So in this receipts and payments account, we have debit side, receipts, credit side, payments. Under receipts, we need to write opening balance of cash in hand, opening balance of cash at bank. If you have overdraft, that should be credited. But here given only cash in hand, cash at bank. So that will be debited to receipts and payments account. So first opening cash in hand. How much? 500. Next, opening bank balance. Opening bank balance 4,800. Okay, next, subscriptions received. Received means it's a income. Subscription is a income, so that is a receipt. 22,000. Next, entrance fees received, so it is also receipt. 3,000. Tournament fund. So fund is received. Tournament fund 9,000. Next, tournament expenses. So expenses are nothing but payment, comes under credit side. 5,000. Next, cash in hand at the end. End is nothing but closing balance. So opening balances are debit side here. Opening cash in hand. If it is a opening cash in hand, that is debit side. If it is a closing cash in hand, that should be credit side. So by cash in hand, closing. End means closing, 1,000 rupees. Okay. So all the details are completed. Yes, just do the balance. Which side is more? Receipt side is more. Yes. So what is the total of receipt side? 500 plus 4,800 plus 22,000 plus 3,000, 9,000, 39,300. So 39,300. That amount should be right both sides, because highest amount you need to write both sides. 39,300 minus this 5 plus 1, 6,000. So this 6,000 you need to deduct from the 39,300. $33,300. So what is this 33,300? By cash at bank. Because closing balance of cash in hand given, remaining balance in figure will be cash at bank closing balance. Already I said, start with opening balances, ends with closing balances, receipts and payments account. Yes. So this is our answer. Very easy to calculate. Just we need to identify all receipts and all payments. That's it. Thank you for watching.